Hi and welcome to Spice and Pans. Today we'll be cooking garlic soy sauce chicken chop. So let's start cooking. Now we'll season our chicken. I have with me over here 2 pieces of boneless chicken leg, a total of 550 grams. I have with me over here 1 teaspoon of salt. I will mix it up with 1 teaspoon of black pepper. Mix them up well using your fingers. We'll just sprinkle this over the chicken and rub it in. Sprinkle the mixture onto the chicken skin first, leaving half behind for the meat. Rub it on the skin. Do the same for the other piece. Turn it to the other side. I've scored the meat over here so that the seasoning can get into the chicken much easier. So same thing. Just sprinkle it. Once you're done with this, we'll coat this lightly with corn flour. Now we'll coat this with corn flour. I have with me over here some corn flour. You don't have to use a lot. We just need to lightly coat this so that it will be crispy. Just one, and just shake off the excess flour. We'll do the same for this. Press it down a little bit. Turn to the other side. And shake off the excess flour. We'll leave this aside and I'll show you how I prepare the sauce. Now we'll prepare the sauce. I have with me over here 120 milliliters of water. Add in 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, 1.5 tablespoons of light soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of dark soy sauce. In order to make the sauce more fragrant, we are going to add in 2 pieces of spring onion using the white stem only. Smash it up a little bit, put it in, as well as 2 pieces of garlic, also smash it up, just put it in. Mix them up well and set them aside. Now we're going to fry our chicken. I'm using a pan from Shogun by Gourmet. This is part of their Senjo Plus Marble series. This is a 28 cm frying pan. It's a non-stick coating with ceramic reinforcement. Turn on the heat to medium flame. Heat the wok up a little bit. Add in some oil. When the oil is hot, we'll swirl it around. And we add in our chicken now. Putting the skin side down first. Place it flat on the pan like this. My pan is a little bit small, but I still can handle this. If you have a bigger pan, of course, it will be much easier. Slowly pan fry the chicken until they are brown. I'll show you how they look like in a while. I've been frying them for about a minute. Just give it a check to make sure that they are not burnt. Need maybe 1 to 2 more minutes on each side. 2 minutes has passed. Let's just have a check. They're brown a little already. We'll just turn it to the other side, just to make sure that both sides are cooked. Continue to let the other side cook for a few minutes. When the pan gets too hot, just reduce the heat down. You want to thoroughly cook the chicken and not burn them. 3 minutes is up. Let's have a look. Like, it's a bit brown over here. Nice. Let's just finish up on the skin, especially for this piece that is not as brown as the other one. The chicken is almost done. How do you know that it's done? Just using your tongs, just press it down. If it feels hard, that means the chicken is almost done. We'll now add in the sauce. Just pour from the side. And we'll let this slowly simmer and thicken up. We are using medium heat throughout, so you can use the same. Do not cover it up because we still want part of the skin to be crispy. And we are reducing the sauce so that the sauce will have a very thick, nice consistency that coats over the chicken very, very nicely. Just let the sauce slowly reduce and I'll show you how it looks like in a while. Now we'll check whether the sauce has thickened up or not using a spoon. Put it in. If it coats nicely like this, that means the sauce is done. We'll now turn the heat off using your tongs. Just turn it to the other side. You just want it to have a little bit of sauce on the skin also. This on top of rice is fantastic. Now all we have to do is just sprinkle some sesame seeds, as well as some spring onions. You can cut them up before you serve them. Place them on top of our rice and it's time for our lunch. And now the dish is done. Let's have a taste. Wow, smells really good. The fragrance from the chicken chop, the garlic sauce, fantastic. The chicken absorbs the sauce very, very well. With steamed rice, this will not be enough for me. So ladies and gentlemen, I hope you like our video. Do click like on our video and do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching, and now it's your turn to cook. Bye bye, see you again. Oh, it's yummy.